Here's how to extract audio. Tap on the clip, tap on volume, tap extract audio, and then swipe over and tap delete. Let's record a quick voiceover. Tap the microphone that says record. When the panel appears, tap the big red button to start recording. Did you know that you can search for fonts inside YouTube Create? When you're done recording, tap the big red button to stop. Style once your text is added. Increase the size of your font because size is selected. Tap on font. At the top, you'll see a search field. Tap into that field, begin typing the name of the font that you want to use, and as you type, your font will appear. Tap the name of your font and your text will be changed. My text is black, but the default color for text is my text is black, but the default text color is white. So you may need to tap on color. If you need to restart a recording, tap the big red button and then tap the redo button to start again. Did you know you can search for fonts inside YouTube Create? Once you have your text added, tap on Style and adjust the size of your font because size is selected. Then tap on Font and tap into the search field to search for a specific font. As you type, your font will appear. To select a font, just tap on it, and your text will be changed into that font. My text is black, but the default text color is white, so you may need to tap on color to change the text color. If your text is on a white background, when you're done, tap Done and continue editing. Tap on the check mark to accept the recording once you've stopped it. Then tap on the check mark once again to return to the main timeline.